I mean, it was really bad, the 100-degree heat wave in September, but it didn't compare
to the west of their range, so long periods of drought and heat wave, and the koala just can't thermoregulate.
I think somebody missed, they meant to put heat wave, and what they put there was
lose people. We could have people die because of an extended heat wave, and so
there was somewhere around about 30,000 to 50,000 excess deaths due to the heat wave.
Some of my research is.
Did you know that the heat wave in Europe in 2003 killed more than 50,000 people? A study found that human-induced
heat wave is actually hurting us here. Our air conditioner is out in our server room. So we've been able to
go. There's this tremendous heat wave and drought. Fingerprints
on that day during that heat wave. That's the kind of thing.
One such narrative was, this is just an unusual heat wave, generating capacity.
There are a few varieties like heat wave that are supposed to set at higher temps, but
which is that the prediction for heat wave deaths by 2030 are likely to outstrip.
As I can, but it's not finished there. Unless there's a sudden heat wave by tomorrow morning.
So again, occasionally you have a flood or a heat wave that goes beyond your coping range.
Some significant rains here in the last week. Now, granted, they're
of rain or protecting the crops against a massive heat wave that's about a week and a half away.
Of the 1930s and its severity, this summer's heat wave and lack of precipitation sounded the
heat wave, or dancing in the street, or Smokey saying tears of a
India. There was a terrible heat wave in the year 2003, and I was asked to chair a committee to look into it.
'95. A heat wave there killed about 800 people. Across every continent.
And the hottest day of a heat wave is becoming hotter. So all these characteristics of heat waves are changing.
It was having a record heat wave, which is unusual for San Francisco.
Cooling. Many of these have been deployed in Europe in the 2005 heat wave, which was comparable intensity.
Saving energy means lower utility costs, and after the heat wave,
some of their Martin babies to an extreme June heat wave, their caring management.
Heat wave, more intense cyclones.